because the shoe's good this time, we gotta use the old hairspray. It smells so much better.
Yeah. I even... That smart stick though.
I lit the fucking hairspray that... You want to get all the residue out of it. You want a fresh start each time. You two separate. Sit over there.
You're the one saying the stupid things. We're just laughing at them.
You sound like a kindergarten teacher. Separate.
When y'all acting like kindergartners.
You're the ones with the spray can and a pipe and a potato.
That's some teenage shit.
Yeah.
He's a kindergartner older than me.
And laughing in the corner.
No. It sounded like I was whispering when I was...
Look at how he's standing. It's not a fucking bazooka.
Yeah, it is.
I'm waiting for the potato launch out and like instantly cut Savage on fire.